Hello guys, my name is Jacob and I'm a 16 years old student from Germany. This is actually my first ever video on any platform. So I'm not expecting many views or that many people click on it because I'm just starting out. And the topic of this video will be how I use AI to build websites and apps. This channel will be more likely to be my personal journey. I will share what I'm doing, projects and progress and learning. And the purpose is to bring structure into my life and also to I hope to help you. And just to be clear, I am not selling you anything. I've never made any money from my projects, from my websites, apps, and stuff. And I'm just sharing for fun and maybe transparency and to help myself. So let's start the video. Let's start. I just built a quick PowerPoint and I'm not really prepared much. But my projects are meineabi.app. That's a German app and website where my graduation class can track their finances and save money for prom. So actually you can write comments on each other in this website, and you can track the money you have saved so far, and every student has to pay a fee, and there you can track how much you have to pay, who has paid, and more. Also, we have like some jobs like baking stuff to sell, and then we can make money, and everyone has to do some jobs. So there we can track those. Then here sichtbar.dev. That's my personal portfolio where I talk or tell about my projects, what I'm doing and more. So I will really quick. I'm going to show you that site. So here I built this. This should represent me a little bit. Here's this little nice 3D card. Actually, the site is not updated right now. I've made some improvements, but we can do that later together. Something about my name, Sichtbar, is my nickname. So a friend or a guy from my school named me like this once, and now I name myself like that. Here I've put a nice animation on the top. Also, how to do this, I'm going to show that. Here are my technical skills. I'm not good at them, but I know what those things are. Here are my 3 projects, bigger projects. I have very much smaller projects, and here you can get to my email. I've talked about it, but we can visit it real quick. So this is meineabi.app. I will turn on dark mode real quick. So it's in German. I guess you won't understand, but it's here. But as you can see, we have jobs. Here it's already full. Kuchenverkauf means baked. What's Kuchen in English? I don't know right now, but there we sell on Monday. We sell baked stuff like cake. Yes, cake and stuff. So I'm an admin, and some people can add like build me a website, but that's not necessary for our school. But something like that, and then people can go, and then I'm going to bake a strawberry cake like that. I will quick. So then we can look into that one. This is also a nice little project of mine. DF Hub I've bought once. I've bought this domain once, and then I wanted to build a website where you can generate quick QR codes. Like I want to create an QR code for my website, and yeah, it's really fast. You can see, ready to go. I can color it and more, and yeah, but this is an older project and I'm not working actively on it right now. Then pylearn.de, DE is TLD for German, and yeah, this is also a German website, but I can put it in English real quick. Learn Python like never before. It's a little website, a project, what I was on once, but I'm not doing it really well. So as you can see, there are no lessons right now, but I want it to be like Duolingo with a step-by-step learning path. Yeah, and this is more about me. Here I'm also working on something right now where you can choose a service which will be 100% cost-free, where you can build an idea, or you can modernize your old website, or you can put your website to an app. Because I'm an Apple developer, I'm in the Apple developer program, I can actually publish apps. So then you would go through the steps here, and it would come up in my dashboard. So back to the PowerPoint. I have many other small projects also for friends who told me, could you maybe build this, a vocabulary app or something like that. I have built many things and I love to do that. So let's go to the AI I'm using. Fly AI is really a great website builder, which is right now still in beta version and works really, really good. Not perfect, but near perfect. It's some little errors, but they have really, really great Discord support. So it's free right now because it's in beta, and it will be paid soon. And Fly is using major AIs like Claude, Sonnet 4.5, GPT-5, etc. So it's really, really good, and it's like it has a workflow. It always checks for type errors, and if it's not working directly, it will not end. It will fix until it's working, and you can really build crazy shit with it. It's great, and I will show it to you. This is the website. It looks great, and I just will go through it. So here you can start typing as it says here and start giving the prompt for your project. But first I want to show here projects, how the project page here looks. Those are all my projects, as you can see, a few. Then here's the Discord. Maybe I will show it to you later, but I don't think this is necessary. But we will go to home, and I will just go and build a little project with you guys. So a friend asked me to build a website where he can put in his expenses and they get tracked, and he gets weekly report or monthly report and statistics. And I will show you live how good this AI is. So I will it's really simple prompting. I'm not that good in prompting and stuff. I will just start. Build an website with clean, minimalistic. I like minimalistic designs, should not be too much. Clean, minimalistic, dark design. where you can add expenses with a static plus button on the bottom middle. A weekly and monthly report should be also implemented, and a calendar should be shown, which and rephrasing and build a calendar which shows your expenses in specific month and compares them to each other with percentages. This is a really bad prompt. Normally I'm a bit better. Maybe it's because I'm doing this YouTube video right now, but yeah. Then you can upload an image, like maybe you do a screenshot from, I don't know, Spotify, and tell AI make it like look like this, or yeah, you know. And then I'm going to submit, and then it asks you if you want a style. You can click no thanks, but I will go with the minimalism style right now, and it will add it to the prompt. And now you're in the most important part of the website. So as you can see here, this is my prompt. Then here is this is the instructions for the style I've given. So I've chosen a minimalism theme, and it says here. So now the AI gives you a quick answer, and yeah, then uses specific tools. Then it says I will create a complete minimalistic expense application with a clean dark design. Let me build out the necessary components, backend schema, and pages. So here you will get a specification which exactly really good tells you what the whole website can do. Then you have here your database. Like if you have a login, you can see all the IDs, the names, yeah, maybe emails. Passwords are of course hashed and securely safe. So here you have backend management. Here you can see the logs and more. So then here also very important, you can see the files. You can see index.css and more. Here is not much right now because I just created this project. So what's really nice also is that you have like this integrations tab. You can add an integration from the integration library, like wait, what do we want to do? Recent email service. So here this is for email sending, and you can add this to the project, and then here will the integrations be, and you can put in your API keys and stuff, and they also will be shown here. Then here are assets. You can upload images directly here to the page, as you can see, but those will not be accessible for the AI and are just for the chat. And the assets you drop here are stored in the editor, I guess here under public, and then and the AI can use them to integrate your logo, your pictures onto the website you're building. Then you can also, of course, sync to GitHub. And a new feature is the in-app support. Yeah, so you can like I've got an issue with the convex which the AI can't solve. Yeah, this would be here. Then title convex error. And maybe you have to attach a file. Yeah, so does this, and I guess the website got built finally, and let's look into it. Yeah, okay, nice. So it's minimalistic, how I told. There I track expenses simply, and yeah, let's simple tracking, weekly, monthly reports, calendar view. Get started. So you can, I will do that real quick. I leaked my email now. You can put, this is implemented from the beginning. You can remove it with one prompt. You can say I don't want this login, but Vly gives you this login, and you can put in your email here, and then all automatically get the verification email. I will check real quick. So I can copy it here and read this like this. Let's verify. You can also continuous guest, so you don't have to log in. So it looks, in my opinion, looks really, really good. Yeah, let's just add an expense. I've spent $100. No dollars. For entertainment, because I bought Discord Nitro for 1 year as an example. So I add this expense, and this week, this month, yeah, of course. So yeah, deleting button. There, I did it perfect. We don't want to focus on that now. I just want to show you what I can see now. What's a bit bad? Here it's not really colorful. This is of course because of the minimalism, but maybe I want to make this green, and then here is, I can edit again, and which is a great feature. You can select a specific component from the website. If you have issues with the button, or you want to move it, or you want to change this, and yeah, you could just tell it, yeah, edit this, but sometimes it's very much better, and I just tell it, make this and the monthly amount colored green, or yeah, green, colored green. Yeah, I guess green is a good color right now. So yeah, then can show you the models here. I'm using Claude 4.5 Sonnet right now because it's free. As you can see, I will click upgrade, and oops, it says paid plans coming soon, as you see. So you can here use fast, Claude 4.5 Haiku, GPT-5, GLM 4.56, 4.6, and Grok. I'm using Claude 4.5 right now because I guess it's better. So yes, as you can see, yeah, it did a great job. I don't like it, so I go here. Here's a reward button, and I can go into versions, and this is the beginning. Then implement core expense tracker functionality. So let's, yeah, no, you can see the versions if you do a change ever, and then I can just click reward, and then reward here, and wait a second. Sometimes it's could be broken. Then you can restart the dev server here, and let's go to the dashboard, and again it's looking like this. So let's go here. Yeah, just wanted to show you that. So I've built this with one prompt. That's crazy. Yeah, here you can see the documentation. It's providing a documentation for every page. Of course, for 400 font is not a big page, but this is very helpful. Yeah, to see through it. And here are the complete specification for the technical logic, business logic, and yeah. So what do we have next? Here also is a theme, and here you can change the font style, whatever. Colors, like I could have changed the color of the amount myself, but it's way easier with the AI. Yeah. Another thing I wanted to show you is how you can launch a site. So obviously you have this preview site button, where you can preview it with this domain. It's temporarily, I guess. And yeah, so you have you can enter any domain here, like expenses.fly.site, and yeah, I will deploy it right now, and it could be that a build error occurs, but if this happens, you can just click fix, and the AI automatically fix it, and yeah, then you can, after it deployed, you can add your own domain, because right now there is if it's deployed, there's a Fly watermark, which is if you don't want it, you can, as I said, here fix. If you don't want a watermark, you have to use your own domain and buying it on Namecheap. Maybe I could do a video on that too, but it's not so hard. Yeah, the AI fixed it, or it was only a warning, as I could read here. You can see the build completely successfully. The warning about the bundle file changing is just a timing issue with the build process and doesn't indicate a failure. Then I run it again. And hope it's finished. You can see everything here. Lately I've saw this bug where I only get like the HTML and not the CSS, so it looks a bit weird or buggy like this, but this is really not a problem. As you can see, if it's deployed, something like this never happens. It's just here a little bug. Maybe I can just restart the dev server and then it works again. So yeah, as you can see, it deployed successfully, and I can click on the domain. Yeah, then I get started. I continue as guest right now, and then here you have it. What I always do, so because we want to come to the app right now, is I'm clicking here inspect, and this is how it will look on mobile. It's not bad. Here you can add an amount. Good, and yeah, you can see here are bugs, but or errors, but I don't think this is a problem right now, because as you can see, it works really good. Yeah, so here is the watermark I was talking about, but you can add your own domain here. You just give in your domain name, expenses.sichtbar.com. Then you press next. Then it's adding. And I will go Namecheap. This is hosting service I use. It's really good. I can recommend it to you. Oops, that's the wrong. Here, I will sign in. So I've a few domains, as you can see here. I've just chosen sispar.com. I will click on manage. Then you click on advanced DNS. As you can see, here are already a few records added. Then you will get here this is already added because I've been using this domain for Fly. You have to add DNS, the CNAME. You can just copy them and put them here in here. So then you can click on add new record, then the TXT record. You fill that in, and then you fill that in, and that's it. It can take a few minutes, and until it's finished. But yeah, you can see then I've added the website, and then the watermark is gone. As you can see here, I have no watermark, and this is completely 100% built with Fly. It's unbelievable. What can I do now to show you another thing? How I put the app to the App Store. App Store Connect. Yeah. I will log in real quick. I don't care if you know my email, actually. Here you can see I've uploaded one app. That's the app. I have an app icon. I have the it's not it's easy to upload it, but it's can be easy, but it's pretty difficult to understand. So I'm going to do a full tutorial on how to publish your app to the App Store, and actually it works. Just a quick breakdown. The system capacitor is the name. Puts your website into an app wrapper, and then it creates the Xcode file and code for it, and you can just run it in Xcode and publish it to the App Store. It's not hard, you just have to been through it once. And the program asks you for the name, for the domain, and the only one thing is that if you do it that way, the app can't be offline. There is a way to do it offline, but I've never tried it. But we can do it in a video too. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, if you even watched it to the end, and thank you for watching, and maybe give me some recommendations what I can do in the future to do better videos, because I had no script, I just talked, and my English is not good. I hope you liked it, and maybe you can leave a like if you want. And also you can, if you want to find me anywhere on Discord, Instagram, my name is always Sispar. Like here, Sispar. Everywhere, only on Snapchat it's Sispar1 because I've deleted my old username. Yes, so you can add me anywhere and talk.